guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. For those who are just coming back, I have a brand new video that you guys will enjoy. We are going to be doing farmhouse laundry decor. So if you guys want to see how I create these dollar store items, just keep watching. I'm gonna use this laundry room. It says drop your drawers here. I'm gonna use that, and what I'm gonna use for the background is this sign. It says home. It's from the Valentine's decor. What I'm gonna do is I am going to pop this heart out, and then I'm gonna use my Waverly white chalk to paint it white, and then we'll lay this sign over like this. I know that it doesn't look like much now, but it's gonna be cute.
You know just what to say. Things that scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet. The more that I know you, the more I want to. Something inside me's changed. I was so much younger yesterday.
Okay, so I bought this house at the Dollar Tree. I will insert a photo of how it looks like before, and then what I did was I painted the back side white and the front side black due to the reason because for Halloween I'm going to use this black part. So for this project we're only going to use the white side. So I painted it with my Waverly chalk paint and white. I love these because they dry so fast. Sorry, my workplace is kind of dirty, but we're gonna work with it. And then I also got this sign from the Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna use this part right here. I'm only gonna use this part. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to cut this out. Like so. Put that aside. And then I'm going to just take this off and basically put it right here. So you need a clean surface. This is where the tag came off, so it's kind of rough, but I did sand it down a little bit. I got this tool from the dollar store. I'm actually going to use this part to like rub off the back here. So I'm going to measure it. Basically, I'm going to take it off slowly. If I can get it off. Sometimes it's kind of hard to take this off. And sorry, my sister-in-law's in the background. She's kind of yelling at the kids because they're being naughty, like usual. You know, what does kids do besides be naughty? Okay, there you go. Finally got it off. So I am going to make sure that it is level, like so. Isn't that so pretty? And I chose white because the letters are black. I was thinking about doing black, but I'm glad that I chose white because then I'm going to just kind of press this on like so that the corner would adhere like that. like so. There you go. Isn't that so cute? Okay, guys, tell me that is not cute. That is so darn cute. I will be posting a picture of what I have completed so you guys can see it. So our next project, I bought this and this at the dollar store, but I don't like this background and I think that this background is a little big. So what I'm gonna do is pop this off, put it in here, paint this black, and probably paint this white, just a white coat. And then we will put this in here and I will show you guys how to do it. Okay, so the first thing what you want to do is you want to paint this white with your Waverly chalkboard, not chalk, and white. And then you want to use your sandpaper and just slightly sand it so that these letters will show. And then you'll need 4 of these pawn pieces from the chess game. So I will show you what I did. These one, like I said, I painted it. I painted 2 coats, and then I sand the letters gently with a sander. And then what I did is I already put some of the pawn pieces on there. I'm gonna do one more. So what I do is you just gonna measure or guesstimate. I know that it's crooked, but I don't care. It's just gonna be at home. It's not like I'm gonna sell them. So then you just kind of use this as your glue mover to glue it like this. And then before you use it, make sure that it sits for at least 24 hours. Okay, so for this project, you'll need this 8x10 frame or any 8x10 frame, it doesn't matter. What we are going to do is we are going to take off this wrap, and then I am going to use my black paint to paint the frame of black. And then I am gonna use my stencils that I got from the dollar store to create this really nice piece. So then after I paint this frame black, I am just going to turn this around so that it is a white background. And then what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to do it this way so that I can do the wash, the dry underneath of it, and then fold and then repeat on the bottom. I'm sorry, outer frame there, and then repeat on the bottom here, and I will show you guys how it ended up looking. So this is how it turned out to look like. Isn't that so pretty? You guys, when you guys make it, please make sure that the spacing is good. I just did Willy Wonka. I didn't really care about the spacing, so that's how it turned out. But if you do your spacing right, it'll be so cute. So this is our final project for the laundry room. I bought this sign from the dollar store. It just says love here. Then we're gonna pop this off, spray paint it white, and then I also got this sign from the Dollar Tree. It is really cute. It just has the meaning of laundry in there. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put it together like so.
You know just what to say. Things that scare me, I should just walk away. But I can't move my feet. The more that I know you, the more I want to. Something inside me's changed. I was so much younger yesterday. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, you do things to my body. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Know just how to make my heart beat faster. Emotional earthquake, bring on disaster. You hit me head on, got me weak in the knees. Something inside me's changed. I was so much younger yesterday. Yesterday, I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, you do things to my body. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Da 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 da, da 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 da. The more that I know you, the more I want to. Something inside me's changed. I'm so much younger yesterday. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Don't need no butterflies when you give me the whole damn zoo. By the way, you do things to my body. I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you. Know just how to make my heart beat faster. Emotional earthquake, bring on disaster. You hit me head on, got me weak in the knees.
Again, thank you for watching my video. I know that I've been gone on YouTube for about a year now, but when I am ready, I will tell you guys why I've been gone for a really long time. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.